suite. All right, so we have a half bath to my right. And then you have a beautiful wood frame around this entrance area. It's actually throughout the room, you'll see in a moment. And you have your bar area here. So here you have your mini bar, your drink, your cold drinks. You also have some other glasses and liquors and wines in that area. You have your coffee maker and cups, and you also have this drawer houses some snacks, coffees, and teas as well. And here is a living space. So you have a double sofa, a single chair. You got some nice artwork on the wall. Very nice sized TV. And of course, we're playing Love's Travel. Nice console here. And then this section here is like a working deck. So this is actually pretty nice here. Let's continue towards the bedroom and the bathroom. All right, so here you got double doors, so you can actually close off this area. You have closet here. So hanging closet, also some drawers. You also have another closet here for hanging your clothes. Then you have a vanity area with a seat and a nice full-length mirror. And then let's take a look at the bathroom. All right, so here you can also close the doors here. So you have your nice French doors. And this way you have a beautiful tub and nice artwork. And then let's check out the products, babe. So
what are they?
You have bergamot products. You got a loop as well.
Okay.
So continue this way. You have your floating vanity, double sinks, nice lighting in this mirror. You have some accent pieces in this area, and then very nice shower. So beautiful marble on the wall here. Very nice rain shower. So let's continue this way towards the bedroom. All right. So here is the room. Very soft. So, yep, you have a headboard. This is leather and some wood details as well. Your artwork, you have your double nightstands. And then check this out on this side. This is like a nifty little storage area. Look at that. It houses your suitcase.
And a coat rack as well.
And a coat rack. And they actually have some nice blue background to that. Another TV, so your second TV, a single chair, and this is their view. So it's actually a gloomy day, overcast here in Toronto, but yeah, this is Yorkville area, so we'll show you around, but it's very nice, very beautiful area.